My name is Adib Hamame. I go to Nova Southeastern University Law School, and my attorney is Scott Simmons.
My name is Angelia Pierre. I go to American Heritage. I'm a rising senior, and my lawyer this time was Scott Simmons.
Hi, my name is Camila. I go to Florida State, and my attorney was Susan.
Hi, my name is Karina Tarasenka. I'm a rising junior at the University of Chicago, and I'm working with Armand.
Hi, my name is Claudia Marrero, and I'm a rising 2L at WashU Law in St. Louis, Missouri, and I am Susan's intern.
My name is Dakota Champy. I go to the University of Miami, and my supervising attorney was Armand.
My name is Daniela. I go to American Heritage High School, and my lawyer this summer was Armand.
My name is Kyle Bolton. I go to the University of Miami, and my lawyer is Scott Simmons.
My name's Rachel Kessler, and I go to American Heritage, and my attorney was Armand.
My name is Vanessa Sebastiani. I go to the University of Florida, and I was assigned to Scott Simmons.
My name is Zach. I go to Penn State Law. I'm a rising 2L, and my attorney this summer was Susan Lawson.
My favorite part of the internship was the Grand Theft Auto case that we got to see at the start. It was very interesting to see a case go from start to finish, a felony case at that, and seeing that it was just like the movies, the cross-examinations, the openings, the closings, the theatrics, all of it. I loved it.
My favorite part of the internship was honestly seeing how Scott interacted with all of his different clients, just seeing what goes on behind the backgrounds and behind the scenes, but then seeing like the interaction with any of the people who come in and need help from Scott, just seeing how much care and how much attention to detail he has and how quickly he can think on his feet. I think that's just such a great skill that I've learned too.
My favorite part of the internship was definitely going to court weekly. We were able to watch motions, trials, sentencings, and it made me realize that I do really want to be in that environment, which is something I didn't realize before. And it definitely also motivated me to join mock trial once I get back to FSU.
My favorite part of the internship was observing the attorney and client meetings. It was very interesting to see the interactions and how attorneys gain trust with the clients.
I had two favorite parts of the internship. The first part was working on client cases. I had a wonderful time with my assigned cases, going through discovery, writing motions, and most times meeting the clients. And my second favorite part was court. It was a wonderful experience every time that I got to go to court, whether it was for something as simple as a mental health check-in, or to file a motion to dismiss, or to ask for updates on probation. It was great every single time, and my attorney was wonderful at taking us any chance that she could.
My favorite part of the internship was the trial lecture with Armand. You know, learning from someone who is a master of his craft was really inspiring, and really powerful just to learn all that information. He taught me rules that I didn't really learn throughout the beginning of the internship just because it was more discovery process, but really being able to take a deep dive into the more detailed parts of the law was really helpful and something I would definitely take on through the rest of my law journey.
My favorite part of the internship was getting to know all of the other interns. We had a very good group of college and law school kids, so it was very interesting to see how their paths crossed and what steps they took to get to where they are now.
My favorite part of the internship was going to trial and seeing how lawyers argue their case and really advocate for their clients.
My favorite part of the internship was meeting some of my best friends. We are all different ages, but honestly, we kind of all meshed into one group, which was really special to see, and I just love being around them every single day.
My favorite part of the internship was actually getting to meet with the clients and to help them and to listen to my attorney, give them advice, and also just to help them with what they're going through in their everyday lives, because there's a lot of struggles that they have to deal with as well, along with these criminal charges.
I would say my favorite part of the internship was getting to go to court just about every week, because getting to see my attorney in action and see how a defense attorney acts in court is kind of important, especially if I want to pursue this field.